وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
And we have certainly made the Quran easy for remembrance. So is there any who will remember?
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. We're going to do maths, inshallah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Can you see anything on the screen?
No.
No? Tell me if you can see it now. You need to see something on the screen. Can you see it on the screen now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so you got this book already. So this is the book, and this is just so people from the video can see it. Okay, so you got the book, and you already got the page open. Is that correct?
Yeah.
So we're going to start, and let's just check what you know first. They're going to want to know how much you know. You can count, can't you?
Yeah.
Very good at counting. She can count on her fingers.
1, 2, 3,
very
4,
good.
5, 6,
She knows how
7,
many
8, 9, 10.
fingers she has on her hand. She knows how many toes and all those kind of things, you know. Very good. So shall we start? Let's start with the first page then. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to read. You've got the page open.
Yeah.
So at the top, can you see this bit here? It says chapter 1 in your book. Chapter 1, we're starting with that.
I see my page.
Can you point to it where it says chapter 1?
Chapter 1.
That's right. Can you see that one there? And obviously you're going to have to read it to them until they get familiar with it. That's it. That says numbers.
No.
Numbers.
11.
Yeah, can you read that?
10.
Numbers. That's what the word says. Can you read it? Numbers.
Number 10.
Numbers.
Numbers.
Then this is up to. Up.
Up to 10.
That's right. Up to 10. That's where it says 10. Okay?
Okay.
This bit just says 1.1. Okay, this is the beginning one. And
That
it says,
means 11.
no, it's got. Can you see the point here?
Yeah.
Dot. So when it's got dot there, we can't say 11. We say 1.1.
1.1.
Fine. Not really important if you don't understand that. Okay, and then it says the chapter is let's begin. Let's begin. Okay?
Okay.
The main thing about here is counting and matching objects to 10. It says here count and match objects to 10.
Oh, I did.
Okay? So the first question, are we on the first question?
Yeah.
She's got her book opened, ready. This says the basic question. This is the first question. Can you read this bit?
Yeah.
This says draw
Draw.
a line. You know this word already, you learned this today. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Draw a line.
Draw a line.
A line
Draw
or a line.
line.
That's right. To
To
match
match
each pair.
each pair.
Can you see these
Oh,
pictures?
it looks like a pear.
Do you know what a pair means?
We are eating pears.
That's one pair. There's a different pair, like pair of socks. What does pair of socks means? How many socks are a pair of socks?
Loads.
2.
2.
Right. Pair is 2. So when it says pair of socks, it means 2 socks. Okay? So we're going to connect them together. Can you see the top pictures?
Yeah.
Yeah? And the bottom pictures?
Yeah.
And we're going to join the ones which are correct to the correct one. Okay? So can you see this? What's this?
Bird.
Bird. And where do you find a bird? Where do you normally find a bird? Which
in
one is
the
this?
tree.
Right. So now we're going to have to correct it. Can you get this dot from the bird?
Yeah. Bird.
Yeah. And connect it all the way to the tree.
I did it.
Very good. Then you move on to the next one. What's the next picture?
A flower.
Flower. Very good. And where's
It
the flower?
goes in the vase.
In the vase. You done it already. You're very
There's
good.
a cat. Clothes.
Yes, that's the top bit, isn't it?
Yeah.
Goes where?
In the trousers.
Yeah. Can we make sure we connect to dot to the dot next time? Yes?
Okay.
Can you see the dot here? And this dot here?
Yeah.
And next time goes all the way to that dot. Yes?
Okay.
That doesn't matter. Now next one, what's this one?
A pen.
A pen or a pencil. What goes with that one?
A rubber.
A rubber. You are right. You're very clever. So connect it to the dot. Okay, fine. Straight to the dot next time. And we got a cat.
A cat.
Goes where?
A mouse.
Right.
It likes mouse
He likes a
to
mouse.
eat.
Go on then.
Because it to eat.
Can you follow it and look at it? Good. You've done that, haven't you? Next one is called counting and then match. Count. This word, can you see it?
Yeah.
It says count. Can you say it?
Count.
And this one, you learned this word. What does this word mean? Say. We learned it today. Can you look at it?
Number 2.
No, this word here. Can you see the word?
Yeah.
Mama Alice is pointing to it. What's this word say? And. You learned it today. Do you remember?
And.
You wrote it on the board as well. Do you remember? When you were doing English reading?
Yeah. Can I write the and on the board, please?
You doing maths now, not English.
But
But and you want to write it. Okay, then write it. Move the book around. Move your book a little bit to the other side. And. You want to write and? Okay, you need to write it on the not on the book, in the board then. You have to move your book out the way and make space then if you're going to write it. Okay, you can write it there. Make sure you don't write anything in the book. It's not going to come off then.
where?
Yeah, write it and. Can you see the word and? Starts with a.
And.
Good. Then. Very good.
So I can write
There's another letter. You put a and. And. That's right. It's in your name as well, isn't it?
And is my name. And.
They're all in your name, but different order. Very good. Okay. So that's the word. Can you remember that one?
Yeah.
And. Okay, and then it says, can you read here? Count and then match.
Match. I know how to do
So the
that.
saying, so this one is first we have to count here.
I'm going to count.
Are we listening? Count, and then we're going to match it with this bottom one with the same
1, 2,
numbers.
3, 4, 5.
5. And which one's 5 at the bottom? Can you find any picture with 5? Find the 5 one. Okay, so just counting along, which is fine. Have you found the 5 one?
No.
Nearly found it, isn't it?
7. 3. There's no 5.
There is. Can you count the triangle ones? How many triangles are there? Start the counting of the triangle one.
5. 5.
There are 5. So very good. So we're going to match them.
I
Again,
know
she knows the shapes as well, which is good. You know your shapes, which is very good. Okay, so the next one is what? You had the butterflies. Which one's the next one?
Apples.
Apples. Good.
Apples is healthy.
Apples
Like
is healthy.
I eat apple.
So how many apples we're going to do with the apples? How many do you think are there?
9.
They're not 9. Can you count them?
8.
8. Very good.
I put
And
them in a circle.
there are 8 circles. You counted that before, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, when you're going through. Very good. So you got that right. And the next one? Why they're there? Can we make sure you not move the stuff, please?
Okay.
What's this? These are books. How many books have you got?
3.
3.
I know where the 3 go. It's going in the heart.
In the heart. You are right. There are 3 hearts, ain't they? And the last one there, which one is it?
The cars.
The cars.
I did it.
And how many were there in the cars? Important that they practice counting.
6.
Very good. You got 6, so I think you've done that page. Shall we move on to the next page? Because you did it very well. Yes? Okay, so what's the next page? Is that the right page? What can you see in the top bit? Can you see some flags and some people in this?
No, but I don't see it. I just see a...
Not that one next to it. That's the next page. Yeah. Oh, you turned 2 pages over. That's the one. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Not the one you're looking at, the one your hand is touching.
Oh.
Right, that's the next page because they print at the back of the first page. You found it?
Yeah.
Okay, so now what did it say right at the top? What number is that?
10.
Numbers up to 10? Here, this circle one. What's this one? Can you see the screen? What number
Yeah,
is this one?
3.
Number 3. Good. So we're going to read that now. This word says, can you look at the word? Look.
Look.
Can you see the word?
Yeah.
Look. Good. At.
Look. And.
At. So it says, look at the pic. The.
The
That was at the picture.
picture.
Okay, good. So it says, look at the picture, count.
Count.
And what's this word after count? You should know it by now.
3, 4.
You're skipping. Can you look at it first? Look what it says. Look at the picture, count. And what word is this one?
And.
Very good. You know it now. Very good. Then it says, and then fill in the blanks.
What with the blank.
Do you know what blank means?
No.
Empty spaces. Can you see here?
Yeah.
Below these pictures, these are the blanks. We're going to write the correct numbers. Can you see these?
Okay.
So what's the first thing in the picture here? What's this? It's a football.
Football has 1.
How many footballs are there? Can you look in the picture?
1.
Okay, look in your picture. It's better in your picture. I think you're right, but just check. Can you only see 1?
Yeah.
Okay, now we have to write 1. You know how to write 1?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you know your letters already, don't you? You need to go toilet?
Yeah.
You have to go right now?
Yeah.
You do? Okay then. You go toilet and then we finish the lesson today and we do some of that later on. Okay?
No. Okay, I don't need toilet. I'm going
Okay,
to
we'll do a little
toilet.
bit more then you can go toilet, okay? You really like some maths. Okay, so what can you see here? What thing is this here? I don't know what that is myself. What do you think that is? A bird? Yeah, it's a bird. Can you see the bird?
Yeah.
Now how many birds are there? Look in your book. It's easier to find in your book. Count them in your book.
5.
Count them again. How many are there? I think there's more than 5. There's
7.
7. Okay, there's 1 here. It's not 7, I don't think. You got 1 here.
No.
There's 1 here.
Where?
How many? This is person's head. Look, can you see? 1 there. 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
and 6.
and 6.
That's somebody's head, so you can't count that in there, okay? So there's 6.
Okay.
Picture's not great, so you can help him with that. Okay, so there are 6. 6. So we're going to write 6?
Yeah.
Very good. Underneath this box, can you see the bird's one underneath there? We're going to write 6. We're going to write 6 here.
Yeah.
Very good.
6.
Have we written 6?
Yeah.
Good. We're moving on to the next one. What is this? I can't even see.
A butterfly.
Is it a butterfly? Okay, how many butterflies can we see? Look in your book. I'm going to try and count myself.
It's 3.
3? I can see more than 3. There's how many? There's 1 here. Carry on counting. 1.
6. Oh, gee, 6.
I think there's 1 more. Look, shall we count together then? 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
and there's 1 hiding here. 6,
6,
and there's another 1 here.
7.
There we go. So we just write 7 then. You know how to write 7. Oh, Bismillah, be careful, please.
7. I know how to write 7.
You know how to write 7. Be gentle, please. Think it's going to fall. You do not write 7?
Yeah, but I don't know which side.
So we write 7?
Yeah.
7 is like this.
Like this.
Okay, I have to check yours afterwards. I can't see from here. Okay, so we'll go to the next picture. What's this one?
That doesn't matter. I'll show you now.
Yes, you are right. Carry on then. Next one, can you see? Looks like a tree. Tree. Yes? How many trees are there? This should be easy to count, so I expect you to get it right now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Can you count again?
6.
That's right. When you're counting, just count slowly.
What's the 6
Why
again?
does that matter if it's again? It's good practice. So let's do 6.
I did it.
Very good. Then the next one, what is this?
I don't know.
Oh, I think we might have done the butterflies wrong. The butterflies. Can we rub out butterflies? These are different things. You can't really see them properly in this picture. So the butterflies, can you rub under the butterfly out? Underneath the butterfly, can we rub that out?
Okay. Where
Can you rub it out? Is it hard to rub out?
Hard.
Oh, very good. I think you've done it. Okay, good. And now butterflies. So the butterflies, these three are not butterflies then. I don't know what they are. Can't really see in this picture well. Okay, so the butterflies are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 butterflies. Can you write 4?
I know how to write 4. I know how to write 4.
Okay, I'll write it 4 if you know how to write it.
It just fall down all by itself.
Oh, no, it's all by itself, but you're moving the bed around. And this is quite temperamental. Okay, you carry on. Right. Have we done 4?
No, it's just, it doesn't look like 4.
Yes, that does look like 4. That is 4. Very good. Different ways of writing 4. That one's okay. Okay, so we wrote 4. Good. So this one, this thing here then, there's how many? These, how many are here? Count them. Count.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. 3. Very good. Very good.
3 is so easy.
Right, the next one.
No, it's not nice. I didn't make it. But
Are you ready?
yeah.
Okay, so now this is, I think, girl. How many girls are in the picture?
Where did it go?
The girls there, isn't there? How many girls are there? Can you look at the hair? Look how the hairs are.
Okay.
And how the clothes they're wearing. 1. It's
2,
a bit hard actually.
3, 4, 5,
3, 4,
6,
5,
7,
6, 7, 8,
8, 9.
10. I think they're 10. I need to help probably.
Where's
It's difficult.
10?
So write 10. Let's write 10. You know how to write 10, don't you?
Yeah, no.
Very good.
I'll write 10. 1 and a 0.
1 and a 0 makes 10. Very good. And this next one is the seesaw.
Yeah, only 2 seesaws.
Only 2 seesaws. You are right. Good. And then we've got boys. How many boys can we see? The rest are boys then. 1,
Daddy, that's so
2,
hard.
3,
1, 2, 3,
5,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
7, I think. Shall we write 7?
11, 12,
Or
13.
shall we write? Let's write 8. So you can practice your 8. Picture's a bit difficult, so I don't think it's just important
Yeah,
to
because
practice it.
8.
Let's write 8 because they haven't written 8 day before. So let's write 8. There are answers at the back, but as I say, I think this
8 looks like
picture isn't
this.
great, so it's more about practice. 8. So can we write 8?
How do we write it?
How do you write 8? It's like 2 circles. We like to write it like this. But if that's a bit hard, you can do it like this. 2 circles.
I think it's hard for me.
Then do 2 circles, yeah?
Yeah. I did 8 in the boy picture.
Good. Now this one, can you see? I want you to count carefully, okay? They're all here. I don't know what it is, but they're all here. They look like flowers. Can you count these? Go slowly. Use your finger. Use your pencil and point at each one so you don't miss any. So you can put a line here. That's 1, and so on. In your book. In your book. In your book.
11.
I don't think it's 11. It's close to that. What's less than 11?
12.
Less than 11. Comes down 11. Count it backwards. She's not familiar with it. What number comes before 11? Oh, let's do this together then. Can you see? 1.
1.
Then it's 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 is 10. You nearly got it right. You have to count very slowly with these ones because they're very hard. And then the last one, we got these flags. These are big flags, so you should find it easy. How many flags are there? Can you see the flags?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, so we're going to write 5.
Have the straight line and up.
Have you written 5? Very good, you have. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Sleepy time.
Sleeping.